to our wonderful viewers in the United States of America and from around the world. My name is Mariano Vula, and I wanted to, and of course, as you must know, the Academy Award-winning actress Halle Berry is a mother for the second time. As you know, it's been several months since she's been married to French actor Olivier Martinez, and of course, I'm happy that, that she's become a mother, because even though we all expect her to see in what movie she has next, we really, but at the same time, her main focus right now is actually being a mother. Of course, she already had her child, from her previous relationship, but now, of course, she's a mother for the second time. This time it is a boy. And of course, I'm happy for Halle Berry, after everything that she has to go through these days with the paparazzi invading, her children's privacy. Of course it's hard to see her that upset to the paparazzi, but at the same time, when it comes to the safety of her children, she has the right to be that way, so. Of course, but at the same time, at least she's a happy person now that she's a mother for the second time. So the only thing that we really expect from Halle is to what movie she is able to make next, because, we all really missed out Halle in films. She's been, of course, making films for decades now. She has an Oscar to her name. What can I say? I like the Oscar winners. But of course, we really expect Halle to see and what will be the next move for her, and I know, but at the same time, her main priority right now is, of course, motherhood. She just had her baby now, so, but really, we all really kind of miss Halle Berry, so we really want to see her, what will be the next thing that she has to next, so hopefully we have to just stay tuned and to see what Halle Berry has to bring to the table. So, but of course, she's still the most beautiful woman in the world. So, but tell me, what do you actually think about it? You know what to do. Send me a comment. You can hook me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and and all the above. So anyway, thank y'all for watching, and goodbye for now.